Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power liftgate, adjustable pedals, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.